Okay, so good question here. What if I have a receding hairline and don't need it on my entire scalp? Can I use just 1 ml on the isolated areas? Absolutely. So this is a great question. Actually, I had another question from a friend, a good friend of mine who started using Adegen, and he doesn't have bad hair loss, but has a receding hairline. And he asked me the same question: should I put it all over my scalp, or should I just use it on the hairline? This is a subjective question that you will have to test yourself. Um, like you can see my hair. My hair is healthy. It's thick. Thank God. If there's anybody that doesn't want to lose their hair, it's me. But I'm so grateful for my healthy hair, and it's 100% due to Adegen. Um, and I put it around. I put it on my temple here. Like this hair was all regrown here from the topical and the roller. But I basically go from here all the way around the hairline down the other temple, and basically all the way around the top of my crown because I was very prone. I had a lot of hair loss. I mean, you can't see it now, but I had a lot of hair loss like right through here, and also a lot of thinning and hair loss on my crown. So I know I'm prone to hair loss there. I probably wouldn't need to use the topical. Honestly, I probably wouldn't even need to use the topical, and just use the shampoo and the brushing, which I do very consistently. Um, but I'm obsessed. I am the founder of the company. I think it's important to practice what you preach. So I continue using the topical, and I cover that entire area. But you can certainly test and just use. Yes, you can just use the topical on the receding hairline portion, and it will absolutely help that and restore health to the hair follicle. And I can't prove this, but I also do believe that if you stop it in one area, like if you stop hair loss in that area, it stops that progression of hair loss to other areas. I can't prove it. I've just seen so many case studies and so many people, like we have thousands of customers now, and I've seen it in myself. So yes, good question. And yes, you can, but if your hair loss does proceed, continue, you can then, use it on the crown. But also if you just have a receding hairline, you can use the topical and then just brush and use the shampoo and brush aggressively with the brushes, and that will prevent any hair loss in the crown or other areas.